Hello, this is your boy from Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a 2016 Dodge Charger, no start condition, and I'm going to show you how I found out what the problem was. On the Dodge Charger, your fuel pump is actually on the driver's side under the seat. As you can see, I'm getting 0 voltage. I should get 3 seconds of voltage if the fuel pump is supposed to be priming. So I'm going to turn the car off, turn it back on. And as you can see, I'm gonna get it for about 3 seconds, then it goes away, and that should be priming. This is just a video to show of how exactly I did this and how I know the fuel pump is bad. I already checked the relays and all that already. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit that like button and keep this information flowing. Thank you.